Yash and I'm a proud trainee at AS campus. Today I'm here to make your learning experience more easier and enjoyable about tenses. You can see behind me there is a definition of tenses. Let's start. The word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event or condition by changing its form. Next, now I will tell you in a very simple way. Tenses. Tenses are the heart of grammar. They help us to express time, action and events correctly. By this definition, we learned that tenses represent the time. In this video, we will learn different types of tenses, their helping verb and some important rules of these tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. There are four parts of each tense. You can see in this chart. Present tense. Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Next tense is past tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Next tense is future tense, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Here is a list of rules of these tenses. First tense is present tense, present indefinite tense, first form of verb plus s and es. For example, he goes to school. One thing more, the helping verb of these tenses do or does. These two helping verbs are of present indefinite tense, right? Next is present continuous form. Is MR plus first form of verb plus ing. Example, he is going to school. Next, present perfect form. Have has plus third form of verb. Example, he has gone to school. Next, present perfect continuous form. Have been, has been plus first form of verb plus ing. Example, he has been writing novel since 2015. Next tense is past tense, right? Past indefinite tense. Second form of verb. The helping verb is did, right? Example can be he went to school. Next, was were plus first form of verb plus ing. Example, he was going to school, right? Next is past perfect form. Had plus third form of verb. Example, he had gone to school. Next, past perfect continuous form. Had been plus first form of verb plus ing. Example, he had been waiting for you since morning. Next tense is future tense, future indefinite tense. One second. Will, shall plus first form of verb. In the modern language, we can say shall is not used. No, not. We use only will plus first form of verb. Example can be he will go to Delhi. In example, I didn't say shall because we use will in modern language. Understood? Future continuous form. Will be plus first form of verb plus ing. Example, he will be going to Delhi, right? Future perfect form. Will have plus third form of verb. Example, she will have completed her work by 8 p.m. Next, future perfect continuous form. Will have been plus first form of verb plus ing. Example, she will have been studying for 3 hours by 9 p.m. So that was all about tenses. So that was all about tenses. I hope you found this video helpful and easy to understand. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubt, So feel free and drop your doubts into comment section. I'll definitely reply. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching.